Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about trace of matrix. From here also we are getting some MCQ questions, and this is also one important topic for matrix. As we learned, the trace of matrix is the sum of the diagonal elements of any square matrix. It's mentioned here, sum of all the diagonals. You can see over there. Again, I would like to repeat here the same word. Which point I am going to mark here is very important. Sum of the diagonals. It can be negative, it can be positive. Okay. And properties of the trace of matrix are very important. And from this property, we'll get some questions, important questions. We'll discuss that questions. First property, if we multiply any constant with the matrix, then the constant should come. See, first property, you can see over there, lambda is a constant, A is a matrix. So trace of the matrix lambda into A is similar to lambda into trace of A. And second property is trace of A plus B is individually equal, trace of A plus trace of B. And third property is trace of AB equals to trace of BA. They are commutative. Fourth property is very important. You have to maintain the sequence. Trace ABC equals to trace BCA equals to trace CAB. One question you can see over there. Very important question. How from trace question will come? Trace given BA square B. Which of the following is correct? See, from there we can use a short trick to obtain it. See, first we'll draw a circle and we'll make 4 point here. We'll make 4 point. How it is? See, here 1 point I'm taking. Individually you can take. Here 1 point I'm taking. Here another point, and here another point I'll take. So first we'll start from B, na? B. So it is I'm giving B. Then this is A. Then again A square is given. So one more A, and then it is B. Now we'll maintain the clockwise sequence. Okay, we'll maintain the sequence clockwise. How it is? First it is written BAAB is correct. B B A A B. Yes, it is coming. It is coming. AAB it is coming. See, A then B B. We have to maintain the sequence. It is coming. B also true. C is coming. Let me check. AB. That means we are starting from here. A B. Then again B A. It is also coming. Option C is correct. That means all of the correct. So one more is left. Have you noticed that? Then we'll start from here. So we can write BB. We can start from here also. B then A, then A. We can start from here also. So one more trace will come for this case, that is trace of B A. Are you getting my point? So this way one question can come from trace, and we can use the help of circle to obtain the correct result. Okay, so let's see the next question. Second question is asking, one matrix is given you, we have to find trace also given, we have to find out the value of x. So it's very simple, 20 plus x plus 5. So ultimate what will become? Trace will come 20 plus x plus 5 is equals to 50. From here if we calculate it, then we will get the value of x, that is 25. It is 25. So this is correct. Option B is the correct answer. Now this is also important question. What is the trace of skew symmetric matrix? We know skew symmetric matrix is equals to A equals to minus A transpose. We know this. Although we can say, sir, Aij is equals to minus Aji. and we know trace means we are looking trace of matrix means we are looking for I equals to j. I equals to j property. That means a11, a22 and a33, like this kind of term we are looking. Yes or no? So here we can find out now trace of skew symmetry. So if I equals to j, if I equals to j, what will obtain? We can obtain 2 a or jj equals to 0. From here we can write set a equals to 0. That means a11, a22, a33, everything is coming 0. So if we add all the elements from this skew symmetry matrix, answer is coming 0. It's very important one short questions. Now this is also one important question. Find out the eigenvalue of 4 cross 4 matrix B. B is given and B is containing A matrix, identity matrix also. Eigenvalue given of matrix B. Eigenvalue given. So from here, if you want to find out trace of B, we can write trace of A plus trace of A. That means we can write here trace of A plus trace of A. Yes or no? So here eigenvalue is given. So we have to note one important point, that is trace of a matrix is equals to sum of the eigenvalue. Very important role there in matrix. So eigenvalue, that means we can write trace of B is equals to -1 plus 1 plus 0 plus 4, because eigenvalues is -1 plus 1 0 and one more it is given 4. So is equals to, we can write 2 times trace of A. So we can calculate over there -1 plus 1 and ultimate trace of A will get 2. 2 equals to trace of. In question they are asking what is the trace of A, answer will become 2. What the points? How this is? Next, you see one matrix has given you and determinant value also given and trace of A also given. We have to find out the value of A minus B. See, trace easily we can find out. So trace means A plus 5 plus 2 plus B and it is given 14. So we can write over there. So A plus 5 plus 2 plus B equals to 40. Now from here we can write set A plus B equals to 7. This is one number question, very short we can obtain. Now if we are looking for date of A, date of A is given 100. So if we are looking for date of A, that means we can find out, here it is given date of A is equals to, it is given 100. That means from here, see, with respect to A we will get these 3 points now. With respect to A, from here I am doing, with respect to A we will get 5 0 0 1 2 0 3 4 B. But if you look for except A, if you look for B, that means but without this line and without this line we have to take, that means see, here also 0, here also 0, here also 0. That means with respect to 2, if we want to take minor elements, then it will become 0 only. So only this value will come, that is 100. Again see, with respect to 5 only will get elements, because other terms are 0. Here also 0, here also 0. So here also 0, here also 0. So now we can write here A. So here 5 into 2 into B equals to 100. From here we can find out AB equals to 10. So if we solve 1 and 2 number, easily by option we can identify the value. See which two value we have to choose. For that we'll get See here, it is 10, it will become 10. Which two value we have to take? Their product is 10 and their sum is 7, that is 5 and 2. That means A equals to 5 or B equals to 2. You can take A equals to 2, B equals to 5, then also it will come. Now see, they are asking what is the difference. See, modulus is given A minus B, difference is definitely 3. Got the points? Now look for question number 6. It is also very important question. How it is? A is given, date value is given, we have to find out trace of A. Trace of A, very important question. You can see over there, very important question. How it is? Trace of A, it is already date value is given, date of A, determinant of A is given R, and R is prime number. Remember that date value means, from here we can implies it. So P square minus Q square is equals to R. From here again we can implies, so P plus Q, P plus Q, and here we can write, sir, P minus Q is equals to R. Since P, Q are prime number, remember that, since P, Q are prime number, we started from 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 like this. So product of two prime number, it should become one more prime number. See, product of two prime number, we have to take difference. We know prime number, if you take prime number, factor of any prime number, either 1 or itself. You can take any one. You take 11, then also 1 and itself. That means out of these two, P plus Q and P minus Q, out of these two, any one is 1. Definitely any one is 1. But P plus Q cannot be equals to 1, because sum of two prime number equals to 1. Is it possible? It is not possible. That means from here we can write, sir, P minus Q, it should be equals to 1. So now you tell me one example, the two consecutive prime number or any two prime number whose difference is 1, that is 2 and 3. That is 2 and 3. Only we have these two options, 2 and 3. Other than these two, you cannot find out any other examples. So over there we can write, sir, P is equals to 3 and Q is equals to 2. Here they are asking what is the trace of A. Trace of A means P plus P. Trace of A means 2P. 2P means 6 is the correct answer, because 2 into 3 is 6. Are you getting my point? Actually, what actually I want to say, 2 into 3 equals to 6. Clear? But if they will ask what is the value of R, then definitely we can write here, that is 3 plus 2, 5. 5 into 1, 5. The value of R will become 5. Got the points? So in different way they can ask. This is very important from the trace of matrix. Okay, I hope you got my points. I try to explain all the problems from here. Now we'll see few more question from trace. Question number 7, you look. A is given, we have to find out trace of A to the power 1000. Very important questions. So trace of A, how we'll find out? So when this kind of question will be given you, you have to check this is idempotent matrix, nilpotent matrix, or involuntary matrix. Since A is a idempotent matrix, if you try to find out, you'll get it, A to the power 2 equals to A. Similarly, if we find out again, A to the power 3 equals to A square is equals to A. That means if a matrix is idempotent, then we can write and so on. See, A to the power cube, so on. So we can write that A to the power 1000 also will become A. that means we can write over there trace of a to the power 1000 is equals to trace of a only, trace of a only. So what will be the result for this? The result will be, see, 3 and minus 2. What will be the result? 3 minus 2 is 1. Question number 8, you see, property we have learned. Which property is wrong? We know individually they are correct. They are asking false statement. That means the false statement will be trace of AB is equals to, trace of BA, not trace of A into trace of B. This is wrong. So what is the result for question number 9? They are asking what is the trace of this matrix. Very simple, 2 minus 5 plus 2. So answer will become plus 5. Okay, clear here? So 2 minus 5 plus 8 is equals to 5 only. Okay, so in this video we learn till this much only. Thank you so much.